gotta talk loud. Look at the camera. We're working on Porky.
Yeah.
Good morning. We are back at the farm. The kids are back at school. So it's just me and Farmer Rhett, and we're gonna get some chores done. Actually, I'm gonna get chores done because Farmer Rhett is asleep in the car. So let's go do this. So normally I don't put myself through this much trouble. We have an easier way of doing the water, but the watering tank is too heavy for me to lift, put on the tailgate. So I'm loading buckets, filling up the water for the ducks. And this is not our dog, it's a neighborhood dog. He seems to be pretty gentle, but still watch out. We're filling up Porky's water.
We're filling up Porky's water.
And we're filling up everybody's food.
And filling up everybody's food.
Making sure everybody's got clean water. Alright. Alright. Ready?
Today we are going to the pigs and fill their water up and fill their bowl up with food.
Hey, girls. Hey, baby.
I got some corn and I got.
Thank you for being a big helper. Good job. Keep going. You're doing good. Throw it in there. Put it in the bucket, baby.
Put it in the bucket.
Then do that. Put it in the bucket, please.
I'm putting it in the bucket.
Do it right.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. Rhett and I are back out here at the farm, and we are just doing some cleanup. We've done chores already this morning. As you can see, the pigs are doing really well on one strand. They are not even trying to come across that one yellow strand. So Rhett and I are taking down the pig training fence, putting it away, just doing some cleanup, getting it looking back nice out here, and then I think we'll be done for the day. So let's do this. Don't get on that, you're gonna get shot. Alright, we're back. I had to run home, pick up Mackenzie from school, and Farmer Rhett knocked out and he's taking a nap in the car, but we're back out here. We're going to finish taking down this fence and get all this straightened up, and I think we'll be good for the day. Porky, hush! Hey, Henry! Hey, Henry! Hey, Henry! Okay, let's get back to it. That one's got to come undone. Lay it in the pile. Got everything down, everything's taken care of, no more fencing. We're done with the training fence. I'm gonna go roll up the fencing that was around it. We're gonna use that hopefully in the garden for trellising. And all the baby pigs are on their one strand and everybody's doing good. So I think that's where we're gonna wrap up this video.
If you like this video, please leave a like and please go subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.
Isn't that beautiful?